Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Melissa. I'm also known as Miss Ava Bella all over the interwebs. This is the third video in my Quarantined with Bae series, but today is special. Today is a different day, and I'm bringing you this amazing smoky eye, giving Janet Jackson, Michael Jackson scream vibes, because drum roll. This is my birthday and I wanted to celebrate. This is kind of like my go-to lip. It was always Ruby Woo. We was always chilling. We was always kicking it. If you want to see the last video in the series, look down below in the description and you'll see the first couple of videos. If you want to see how I created this look, keep watching. So for this birthday look, I am starting off with the Nordstrom 15 MAC palette, and these are just really neutrals, really pretty neutrals. I'm just gonna go in with a muted brown for the crease color. It's kind of comes off as a brown gray, and the look that we are going for today is just going to be a traditional smoky eye. So we're just going to build and deepen the crease. So I've got some chocolates, and again, this is a neutral palette. A lot of them will give more of a gray brown color instead of like a chocolate like a true brown. So I'm gonna go in with the Swiss chocolate from MAC just to deepen in the crease. I did a burnt orange smoky eye. This one is going to be more traditional, and we're definitely doing a black on the lid. I've got a really sparkly black there. It kind of gives charcoal vibes on camera from what I can see. And then I've also got Club Knock in the Nomad palette. This is the Nomad Berlin Underground. Before I actually do anything with the black shadows, I'm gonna use a Sourmay undershadow. This is going to take any shadow and give you like some next level pigment. The Sourmay undershadow is just what it says it does. It gives you, it's a primer. So if y'all could see what I did there, I patted it onto the lid and then I opened and it made its own natural line. We are gonna blend, so this is not a cut crease, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Gonna make sure that I take it up to the crease so that when I'm patting that on, it just kind of bonds well with the undershadow, and the undershadow has an opportunity to do what it's supposed to do. And because this is a birthday look, I felt like I needed to pull out the big guns when it comes to moisturizer, because I wanted my skin to definitely be dewy. I'll be showing you some other products that I use to make sure that I have a dewy face. 111 Skin from Harley St. London. It's the Cryo Activating Hydra Gel. I got this from Ipsy. I tell y'all, I swear by Ipsy, because I wouldn't discover these skincare products, these palettes, had it not been for me receiving Ipsy. So I just really enjoy what they send. Now, I know you all can see that the undershadow is super creamy, so it's kind of not staying put. So I am going to say less and begin to pack on the Nomad Underground first. Kind of a shifter, but we're gonna start with that and just follow where we put the undershadow. We're going to try to make this as black as possible. Don't worry about the undershadow moving, because we are going to go back in and take care of our crease and our chocolates that we put down first. And where the undershadow shows right against the lid, we're going to take care of that as well. And because we'll be adding a liner. So I'm going to go on top of it with the black in that Nordstrom 15 MAC palette. And we're going to just follow that shape as much as we can. But again, we're going to go and blend that edge. Now I am taking this is just a flat, it's a Farrah flat brush. When I went back to the site for the last video, they don't have this gold one there. I think this was an Ipsy exclusive. I think I'm gonna take the Radiance Straub, and I'm never gonna pronounce these names right. I don't know why they make these names like this, but I'm gonna take the Radiance Straub. This is kind of like a crease color that I like to use just as a transition when I do any eye look. But I'm gonna take that, and that's what I'm gonna blend the edge of the brown with. Oh, the other thing that I wanted to mention, so I've showed you all, or I've listed it in the description on several videos, what I use for skincare. Moisturizer, it changes just because I like to change it just to make sure I can give myself a break. I am happy with the eye such as it is, so I'm just gonna clean up. But what I do, because I wear a lot of matte lipstick, this is Yensa Super 8 Lip Oil. Again, this was an Ipsy discovery. When I moisturize, once I've already cleansed and done everything, I like to put that on my lips because it's great by itself too, just for an everyday look. But very rarely will I wear something that sheer on my lips. But yeah, we're just gonna go and we are cleaning the corners and we're just sweeping away. And whenever you're dealing with your eye, go up. First things first, I'm going to go back in with the Pearly, but this is the Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Eye Adore Serum. I absolutely loved the moisturizer, so I was glad when they came back around with an under eye moisturizer, because we put so much product there. We put our Sasha under our setting for our when we're baking, we're putting so much product there and it's drying, and so I just like to add to that moisturizer under eye. So because I want to be dewy and golden, because I'm already using this matte poreless from Maybelline Fit Me, I am going to use Liquid Chrome Illuminating Drops. Again, Ipsy Discovery. Love, love, love. So I'm just going to take them and put them at the high points because I want it to warm up. So I kind of mimic where I'm going to put my highlight. Do a little bit more. I'm going to mix that in with my foundation here in just a second, but I'm going to go in with, this is the MAC Studio Fix 24 Hour Smooth Wear Concealer. Been using it forever, but I got matched for this. I love this. I think it works well. So, sticking with it. I am going to just spray a little bit of the dewy finish on my brush. This is a BH Cosmetics 123 from the pink set. I'm just spraying a little bit of that on my brush before I go in with the 334 Warm Sun from the Maybelline Fit Me. Beauty blender. A little bit more of 24 hour. And my last little bit of Sasha. I'm also going to use some Bella Pierre HD finishing powder. Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, the powder. I'm going to take some under where I put the HD powder on the bottom. I'm just going into the Kat Von D Tan 175. My lid. take this pencil brush and smudge. Blush, I am going to use a Tarte. I'm going to use the Tarte Feisty. NYX Dewy Set to set. And for my highlight, I'm going to use Gilded Honey from Laura Geller. It's one of my favorites. It's just so pretty. Last but not least, because I almost forgot it, Ciate Triple Shot XXL Mascara. For lips, a favorite, Ruby Woo with a little chestnut liner.